So now students, our next topic in this chapter is the Iraq invasion of 2003. अब इस इराक इन्वेजन से भी हमें ये पता चलेगा कि यूएस हेजेमनी what it consists of and how technologically advanced they are and how dominant their military power is. All right. So this Iraq invasion happened on 19th March 2003 when US launched its invasion of Iraq with the code name of Operation Iraqi Freedom. All right. US invaded Iraq as a part of Operation Iraqi Freedom, in which 40 से भी ज़्यादा countries had joined this US-led coalition of the willing. Coalition of the willing was the name given to the coalition of military troops, of army, and of a coalition of basically military power. जो भी लोग willing थे, जो भी countries willing थी to actually conduct this Iraq invasion, they could join this United States-led coalition, and they could provide their support, they could provide their military support. That is why it was known as coalition of the willing. मतलब कोई भी country अगर चाहती थी कि वो इस US-led invasion को ज्वाइन करे, वो कर सकती थी. ऑलराइट. एंड इस दौरान 40 से ज़्यादा कंट्रीज ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. दे प्रोवाइडेड their military power to USA to lead this coalition of the willing to invade Iraq, because this coalition was formed because the United Nations had refused to give its mandate for this invasion. All right. United Nations ने permission नहीं दी थी. They did not pass a resolution for this Iraq invasion, for this Operation Iraqi Freedom. All right. So the main reason why this coalition of the willing happened, this coalition of the willing took place, was because United Nations had refused to give its mandate. The United Nations had refused to give permission for the conduction of this invasion of Iraq, and United States ने ये coalition of the willing, जिसमें 40 से ज़्यादा countries ने अपने military troops provide किए थे, उसको lead किया United States ने for the invasion of Iraq. Alright, अब ये invasion क्यों हुआ था? Basic purpose for this invasion of Iraq was to prevent Iraq from developing weapons of mass destruction. What are weapons of mass destruction? WMDs stands for weapons of mass destruction. अब weapons of mass destruction are weapons which can actually destroy a very huge area. For example, nuclear weapons, atomic bombs, hydrogen bombs, all of these are actually weapons of mass destruction. जिन weapons से बहुत ही massively destruction हो सकती है, उन्हें बोलते हैं weapons of mass destruction. Alright. So ये माना गया था, this was basically alleged by the USA that Iraq was developing weapons of mass destruction, and United States of America wanted to stop Iraq from developing weapons of mass destruction. ठीक है. तो that was the main purpose of the Iraq invasion. अब क्या हुआ? Weapons of mass destruction were never found. इराक में जब US-led coalition of the willing ने invade किया इराक को, they actually did not find any weapons of mass destruction. They had alleged, which the main purpose why this invasion happened, that actual purpose was never reached. Okay, that purpose was never achieved, because जो weapons of mass destruction जो उन्होंने like basically allege किया था USA ने कि Iraq is actually developing weapons of mass destruction, वो weapons of mass destruction कभी मिले ही नहीं इराक में. Alright. So and this particular जब WMDs weapons of mass destruction मिले ही नहीं, we got to know, the world actually got to know that this invasion was not motivated by finding or preventing the development of weapons of mass destruction. It was actually motivated by the objective of controlling Iraqi oil fields and installing a puppet regime which would be friendly to the United States government. Alright, इसका मतलब क्या है? यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ने कुछ रीजंस प्रोजेक्ट किए थे इन ऑर्डर टू एक्चुअली कंडक्ट दिस इन्वेजन। उसमें से एक रीजन था कि उन्होंने अलेज किया, उन्होंने ये बेसिकली क्लेम किया कि इराक इज एक्चुअली मेकिंग वेपन्स ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन। बट जब ये वेपन्स ऑफ मास डिस्ट्रक्शन मिले ही नहीं इराक में, तो हमें ये पता चला, जब वर्ल्ड को ये पता चला कि एक्चुअल में यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की फॉरेन पॉलिसी कुछ अलग थी। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका डिड नॉट वांट एनीथिंग टू डू विद द WMDs, नॉर डिड इट एक्चुअली हैव एनी अथॉरिटी टू डू एनीथिंग अबाउट द WMDs। बट यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव यही था कि उनको इराक के ऑयल फील्ड्स पे कंट्रोल चाहिए था। ऑयल फील्ड्स जहां पर क्रूड ऑयल मिलता है, जहां पर ऑयल इज अ मेजर रिसोर्स, इट्स लाइक द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्स इन द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज इट्स अ नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स and it is not found it is not found in a lot of places. Iraq had one of the most one of the biggest so it's like Iraq is one of the biggest sources of oil, of petroleum, of natural gas, all these oil products that we get through oil fields were actually found in Iraq. और ये कहना था कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका का एक्चुअल मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव यही था कि उनको इराक के ऑयल फील्ड्स का पे कंट्रोल मिल जाए, ऑलराइट, एंड ऑल्सो सो दैट जब यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका सद्दाम हुसैन की गवर्नमेंट को ओवरथ्रो करेगी तो दे कुड एक्चुअली इंस्टॉल अ गवर्नमेंट विच वुड बी फ्रेंडली टू द यूएस। एक ऐसी गवर्नमेंट को एस्टैब्लिश करना चाहते थे इराक में जो उनके तरफ उनके इंटरेस्ट को सर्व करे, यूएसए के इंटरेस्ट को पर्पसेस को सर्व करे, and they would be actually they would have a very good relationship with the US and they would provide USA with whatever USA needs. Alright, so that was the major motivation behind this Iraq invasion. Alright, so उनको यूएसए को क्या करना था, उनको इराक के ऑयल फील्ड्स पे कंट्रोल चाहिए था एंड उनको वहां पर एक पपेट regime एस्टैब्लिश करनी थी जो यूएसए की गवर्नमेंट के साथ फ्रेंडली हो। ऑलराइट, नाउ Saddam Hussein की government fell. Alright, Saddam Hussein was completely overthrown. He was jailed and he died in jail. His government was overthrown. But what happened was the US invasion was not very successful. A full-fledged insurgency began against US in Iraq. Iraq did not want USA to control its oil fields, to control its own affairs. Even though Saddam Hussein's government was overthrown, Iraq itself fought against USA's forces very, very diligently. USA की forces के against उन्होंने insurgency शुरू की, they had actually fought against the US forces where 3,000 से ज़्यादा military personnel, 3,000 से ज़्यादा मिलिट्री के लोग, सोल्जर्स ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका डाइड। दे एक्चुअली लॉस्ट। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स को एक बहुत ही भारी प्राइस पे करना पड़ा उनके इन्वेजन पे। 3,000 से ज़्यादा लोग, 3,000 से ज़्यादा सोल्जर्स इस इंसर्जेंसी में मर गए बिकॉज इराक एक्चुअली resisted the United States of America. They actually began an insurgency against the United States of America के forces. ये coalition of the willing जो 40 कंट्री से ज़्यादा आए हुए थे, इन सबके अगेंस्ट, इस पूरी coalition, इस पूरी मिलिट्री आर्मी के अगेंस्ट इन इराकियन गवर्नमेंट, इराकियन फोर्सेस, इराक की जो फोर्सेस थी, इराक के जो पीपल थे, लोग थे, उन्होंने इस कोalition के अगेंस्ट फाइट किया and they actually put a lot of damage on the US's forces. All right, उन्होंने 3,000 से ज़्यादा लोग, USA actually lost more than 3,000 military personnel during this insurgency. All right, but at the same time Iraq में भी 50,000, almost 50,000 civilians, almost 50,000 आम लोग जो इराक में रहते थे, वो लोग they got killed, they actually died because of this US-led invasion. Ever since this US-led invasion started in 9th March 2003 till whenever it actually came to an end, इस पूरे US led invasion of Iraq के दौरान actually 50,000 Iraqi civilians died because of this insurgency, because of this US led invasion, and also because this particular invasion was so absolute in nature, and because हमें जब पूरे वर्ल्ड को जब WMDs फाउंड ही नहीं हुए, जब WMDs मिली ही नहीं इराक में, and when the world came to know of United States true objective, उनका actual objective क्या था, उनको ये जब पता चला, so every country actually raised its voice. They raised their voice against this invasion that was happening in 2003. They actually criticized the world, the whole world community actually criticized USA for this invasion. They criticized USA for invading Iraq on such thin grounds and for actually being motivated by objectives which were not actually what they showed the world. Their actual purpose was to control their oil fields and install a puppet regime in Iraq, whereas they had projected कि उनका reason for this invasion is to prevent Iraq from developing WMDs. And this particular war, this particular invasion was actually criticized a lot by the world community, and that is why it is known that this particular invasion was a major military and political failure on USA's part. ये एक बहुत ही major failure रहा था USA के लिए. उनकी खुद की military died. They had killed over 50,000 Iraqi civilians, and उन्होंने बहुत they basically created a lot of problem in Iraq, which repercussions of which they are still facing today. And USA was criticized for this action. Alright, so that was the Iraq invasion of 2003. Ki how the reasons projected by the US were different than what their actual motivation, what their actual objectives were, and कैसे Saddam Hussein की government fell, and कैसे insurgency हुई, कैसे Iraq also fought against this US-led coalition, कैसे ये पूरा Operation Iraqi Freedom was not even mandated by the United Nations, and कैसे ये एक बहुत बड़ा military and political failure था on the part of USA.